What the?
We can get it too.
Oh, get your ugly over here.
Oh, Lexi, okay. Watch out, Lexi, watch out, watch out, watch out, Jet.
Wait, what's going on? What the?
We gotta get out of here, bro.
Alright y'all, so I apologize for not putting a video up sooner than this. Your girl was walking around looking like I snuck on Earth, okay? I needed to get my hair done. It was just a mess. Today we are gonna be filming with our friends, y'all. We're gonna be playing with our boy SkyBits. You already know him. We're gonna be playing with our girl Kryssa Cat and our boy Jason. I'll go ahead and I'll link their stuff down below, and I'll put some of their stuff on the screen as well. Make sure that you guys go ahead and show them some love, follow them, and all that good stuff, okay? So today we're gonna be playing Grain Rot. Now we're only playing the demo version because this game is not released yet. So from my understanding, it's supposed to be like repo, but we have to go through and fight off the little monsters, get loot, turn it in for money. I'm excited to play it. It looks really fun, so yeah. But I hope that you guys enjoy this video, and let's go ahead and get straight into it. You ready, boy?
Yeah, I'm ready, bro. I'm a little cracked out though. Ooh.
Oh hell no. You get your crackhead ass away from me.
I want him to see me, bro.
I'm good,
crazy
thank you.
Out here, bro.
No, I'm good, thank you.
Oh, my fault.
Yeah.
I want to press the button except for Jason, bro.
Me.
I'm not bad.
Okay. Second door.
Okay. Oh shit!
Oh, do we gotta find Buddy in here? Oh yeah, we do.
I think so, because it's level 3.
Let's look for the map room. Look for the map room. Okay, nice.
Look for weapons too, guys. I'm gonna go do what I do.
Oh wait. Look for the extraction room. Oh, I found the little guy.
Yes.
What the
Oh
fuck?
my god,
Watch out, girl! He coming!
oh my god!
Woo!
I think so.
Hell to the no. Let me close this. Trap. Okay. Oh, he's coming still. Is this closed?
Oh,
I'm trying to get in there.
watch yourself.
Oh, sorry.
Nice. Got some money.
Hold on.
He coming. We gotta go.
Okay, this way.
Where he at? I'm gonna shoot. I'm gonna blick him down.
Well, you gonna be right here, right? You're gonna be right there behind you.
Oh, behind me? Go.
Miss. You missed the shot.
No. I hit him all.
Oh my god!
Oh, he's close.
We gotta get him in charge. Oh, fuck. That shit hurt.
Jump his ass.
Oh, shit. I'm one health.
Nice.
Oh my gosh, fucking Chucky, get away from me, bro.
Who need help?
I'm good.
Alright. We gotta find your body.
I'm gonna take advantage and get this loot.
Did you see the extraction point?
It's where we started. We might want to just get as much loot as we can and just be out. Just so we can get this little nigga out of here. Because if that biggest spawn again, I don't think we can take him.
Yeah. Oh, I don't know where Christian went.
Oh, it's the other side.
Other side?
Yeah, to make money.
Alright.
Follow me.
Yeah, I'll follow you, boy.
You guys make money. I'm gonna bring the little nigga to the extraction.
Okay. Chucky, bro, I don't like you reading cards like that in my ear. Thank you. It was being a little bit too hard for me. Oh, there's a buddy. Where's Kryssa?
Kryssa, there's a body. There's a body over here. Nice. You see it? Nice.
I'm a ghost.
Yeah, let's make all the money we can so we can get up out of here with the little guy.
I'm security now.
Yeah. What is that like monster voice I keep hearing? I'm tripping.
I think it's because you're sick.
I'm sick?
Yeah.
How I got? Oh, sorry.
Damn.
I didn't know I was sick, bro.
Oh, I can eat meat.
Ooh. The fuck got me sick though, bro? Chucky?
I might need a little bit more money. I think it's like 60 to get out of here.
Okay.
I don't want to go farther than this though. Jason said he's just gonna stay at the spawn with the little guy.
Yeah. I think. Wait. Is this where I'm supposed to go? Up the stairs? Yeah.
There's mad enemies. We gotta hurry up.
How much money we gotta make to leave?
Oh, the guy crawling on the floor is here.
Oh shit. Hey, Chris,
The
is
guy
you right
crawling on
here?
the floor.
Yeah.
Come here. Hold on, don't go up yet. When you come down here, you gotta charge at him. He's behind you.
Got him.
What up is that? Oh my god, you fucking me up.
Wait, come back.
Alexa, get out the way. There we go. Oh my god. Run! Alexa ain't even said she was low on health.
I wasn't paying attention to my health, bro.
Oh. Lexi.
Oh wow. You good, bro? You hear that?
Are you good, bro? You over there tweaking? Both of y'all is tweaking.
5 goals, that's all we got.
Wait, how many do we need to leave?
I don't know if I'm doing that. Oh my god.
Oh. The floating head. Damn.
That's it for my items.
Get that scrap wood, bro.
Good. Where's the little kid at? Oh, we got enough.
Oh, we gotta find Jason.
We'll find him. Gotta tell him. Where's the little kid at? Where's the kid at?
He's with Jason. It follows him.
Bro,
Jason,
he dead.
Oh, we're good, bro. We're good. We can leave. Oh shit.
Go, Jason, go. Run, bro. Oh, he's trying to bob.
Damn.
Oh, shit, I got you. Hurry, get back to your body, bro. Oh, shit!
Oh, got his ass.
Where's the little guy at?
I don't know where he went, bro.
Oh, no way.
Watch him, bro.
Where's the way out?
Over here.
Where's the little guy?
Bro, I don't know where. I think he fell.
Oh,
He fell.
Hold on, get him!
Man, we have to do it again, bro.
No! Hey
You
there!
might want to go die, bro. You're over here tweaking.
Hey, get the sword, bro. Get the sword, bro. You need to have a weapon. You haven't had a weapon all game, bro. Heal yourself.
I don't know what I'm finna be doing with it.
Good choice, my friend.
Oh, that's what I'm talking about. Get your weapon, bro.
Go outside, bro.
Dang. Who spent it all?
I got a sword.
A sword, bro.
I got a
You got the
sword? Yo!
I'm about to see her in action, bro.
Yo, I lost all my stuff. Fuck, bro.
Oh, you're right, because you had it on you.
Cause I got left behind.
Bro, you hit the
Bro, what, bro? Be careful out
If we
there!
both blew up, it would have been a wrap.
I blew up, but I survived.
That's some bullshit.
You didn't even take him with you, bro. Like you just like
He was
fake
on you.
sacrifice.
He was on you, bro.
No, he was running with you, and then you ran too far, and then you went back into. He said, "Never mind, let me get this guy stuck in here, bro."
Nah, he left me, bro. He never turned to get me.
Okay. If it's bad, I didn't press it. Okay?
Oh, my bad.
Right?
We got the darkness, though.
Crazy! Get away from me, bro!
My fault, bro.
he's
Sorry,
right here.
sorry that I survived.
Look, he's right here this time.
Oh, hey!
Can he stay right here? Matter of fact, yeah, he
Hey.
gonna stay. Watch.
Sit your little ass in the thing. You're doing too much.
In the elevator, bitch.
Come on. Watch out. We're gonna block him in, bro. Come on.
Bro, are you good?
Look, I got him to stay. He's good. He's straight.
Yeah, well, we're gonna make sure, because last time you didn't do your job, so. Kryssa, where you at?
She might be AFK right now.
Kryssa finna get stuck with.
Oh my god, Chucky.
Stay away from me, bro. Lexi, use your weapon, bro! I got him on the thing. Blick him up, bro. Blick him up. Hold on. Alright.
Hold on. The laser guy, I think, is coming.
No! I'm so
What happened?
sorry. I didn't mean to hit you. I hit him, bro. I'm sorry.
Ooh.
I got him, bro. Teamwork. That's what I like to see.
Is he dead?
Don't use your thing. Like, you're good. He down. You're good.
Oh, get that
Alright.
coin, get that
Thank-
coin.
Oh shoot, where's the coin at, bro?
Look, bro, he talking to you.
Where's the money over here? Where's the money maker, bro?
I don't know, I was looking for it. I was gonna... It's over there?
I'm sick.
That's that moolah.
I think we have these 60, right? Let me double check.
I don't know.
Yeah, we use these 60.
Okay.
Why is there a bed?
Christian, put the bed in there so that the little guy won't leave. I'm missing!
Yes!
Hey, Lexi should have no time, okay?
I had to tap that ad real quick. Who is that?
Hey, you being a little greedy, bro.
Who?
Oh my god.
I put that thing out quick.
You had it out, bro.
I was gonna get him, bro.
You just exposed. Look at him be
Oh my god!
Yeah,
gotta say something. You have to say something.
If it was you hit it!
No, I'm lucky!
Alright, let's be out.
Oh my god, I'm sick!
Let's be out, let's be out. We got the little nigga, let's be out, let's be out.
What the? You on your desk? Oh, in your mouth! I can't get out!
Sorry, yo, I told y'all I felt sick, man. I was gonna lay down.
Everybody's sick! Oh my god!
Everybody's sick, bro. Are you okay?
What was he gonna say? Oh my god, I'm sorry, bro!
We gotta take him. We gotta take him up there. He's following somebody. Who's following him?
Come on, bro. You're not moving! Are you scared? You're not used to being here? Come on, bro. Ooh, I'm fighting. My fault. I blew it up, bro. Come on. Oh, you don't want to come because I got you sick. I threw up on your head. My fault, bro. Just come upstairs real quick. Yeah, upstairs. Are you coming? Yeah. Bro, you was coming. Now you... I have to whoop you a little bit because you're not listening. Come on. You have to come upstairs. Come on, bro.
You're good, bro. You don't gotta bring him up, bro. You're okay.
Bro, we're not in our own moment. Get out.
Fucking moving, bro. Okay, bro. What the hell?
Come on, bro. Okay, let me go die. I'm not gonna be shaking in my boots. Don't steal my stuff, bro.
Yo, if you go outside, it burns the point. It burns that shit away.
Oh, let me go do that.
Yeah, get out there. Get rid of that shit. You gotta go further out. Oh, never mind. Alright, you're good.
Hey, good tip, bro.
Hey, talk to him, bro. You gonna get the
go outside, bro.
Nah, bro.
No,
I'm already here.
little buddy!
Bro.
You actually found her! And she's okay? You did it. Thank you, Scrappy. You're a good spy.
Oh, y'all over here breaking.
My fault, bro. Alright, PTSD, bro. PTSD, bro.
Welcome.
What's up?
Bro, we can be friends, bro. Well, I don't got no beef with you, bro. What you trying
Okay,
to start,
because
bro?
you put that thing
No,
on
like,
you was
what's up,
pointing it
bro?
at me,
What
so
you-
I'm like, what's up?
No,
Like,
good, bro. We
what?
good, bro. We good, bro.
Okay, if we're good, put the thing away. Like,
Oh, bro, I'll put it away,
I'm
bro.
gonna have to kill him, bro. I'm gonna get everybody
Huh?
sick in the house.
Who?
Him.
Oh, licking.
Bro,
Come on,
why?
bro.
Whoa!
At the end of the demo was me blasting that nigga. Watch.
Stop whispering in my ear, bro.
You got me, bro.
Get out of my ear, bro.
Let me get, you know, I'm trying to put some juice on your nuts, bro. Pause,
Do it then.
bro.
Thank you.
You feel me? Damn.
They need to come out of this game ASAP, man.
Huh?
You wanna come with us, little guy?
No, was he trying to run over here?
Yeah. You want me to say little girl? Like, what's wrong with you, bro? I said little guy. It is what it is.
That a guy?
Stop pressing the button!
Yeah, how can you blame him? Shit.
5,
Tell
bro.
her.
Level 5. Level 5.
Okay, we gonna get this money, bro.
Get that money. Get that money.
Ciao. Oh my god!
What the fuck is that?
What happened?
I don't know,
Something's
bro.
on my face.
You good?
Yeah.
Oh my god, run. You gotta run faster, bro.
Oh,
Good. You booked it out of there.
you told me to run faster, bro, so I ran.
I don't even know where the... Oh.
I don't know where it is either. Oh! Something in my ear, I don't know what the fuck that was, and my sword just broke. Oh! Shit!
Whoa!
Yeah, it's that thing. Hold on.
Oh shit!
Run! I was stuck!
We gotta get out of here, bro.
Oh my god!
Oh shit!
You locked in, bro. We gotta get out of here. Where's the money, bro? Where do we make money at?
Oh, you need some help? Oh, never mind.
Bro,
Never mind.
you fake me, bro.
Hey, look at it! Oh!
Okay, hold on. Oh my gosh! Mommy, you gotta get the fuck!
Level 5 is no joke, bro. What is going on?
Who started it?
My fault, bro. You don't have to set up on me. Oh my god!
What's going on in this map, bro? Alright, bro.
We can't even leave, bro. Oh my god, I'm so sorry.
Ooh, there's a nigga behind you, bro. Huh?
Let me up, bro. There's like 17 of them little dynamite niggas, man.
Is everybody dead?
Yeah, bro, it's just you, bro.
Oh,
And that dude on me right now. Yup, you gotta look, Lexi, you gotta look.
I'm looking, bro.
Lexi, run, he is coming full speed. You gotta go.
How you gonna tell me to look, then tell me to go? Which one?
Run, bro, he's coming, bro. I don't even know if
Bro, this is crazy. Where's the extraction point at?
Oh, you need money first.
Well, yeah.
This way, I think. Over here.
Okay.
Never mind, run! Go, turn around, bro! Yo!
Damn.
Hell no! Who triggered him, bro?
Who's still alive? Oh, we're all dead.
Dang,
Hell no!
bro.
Alright y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and call it for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I really liked it. I thought it was really fun, and I don't know, to me it's not as scary as Repo. Like, I was getting really scared playing Repo for whatever reason. This one, I know y'all saw the little jump scare, but that was it. Other than that, I feel like it was really fun and I wasn't as scared playing it, so that's always a plus for me, y'all, okay? But I hope that you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.